Want to unlock the secret to scoring delicious DoorDash meals for less or even free? Let's dive into how to pay using DoorDash credits. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner represented by a person. In your account menu, look for an option labeled Credits and Promos, and tap it. This section displays your available DoorDash credits and any active promotions. Make sure you have available credits before proceeding. Now build your dream meal. Add items from your favorite restaurant to your cart and proceed to checkout before confirming your order. Look for the Apply Promo Code section. It is usually right under the subtotal. Tap it. Here, you'll see a list of available promotions and your DoorDash credits. Ensure the checkbox next to the DoorDash credits you want to use is selected. The credit amount will automatically be deducted from your order total. Double check that your DoorDash credits have been successfully applied and your new total reflects the discount. You are ready to place your order. Tap the Place Order button to finalize your purchase and enjoy the taste of savings. Run into trouble? Remember, DoorDash credits can't always be combined with other promo codes, so try using just those credits. And if your credits still aren't working, contact DoorDash support. They are there to help.